best beach zones in Marbella.
Close to restaurants like Dolce Gabbana, Nosso, Dune Beach, Ayana or Luma.
Hello beautiful people and welcome to another amazing villa here in El Rosario. It is a 5-bedroom villa, amazing price, especially because I have a very good selling point, which is the profitability of this villa. Close to the sea, only 300 meters away from the sea, in one of the best beach zones in Marbella. So let's dive into this amazing property for the price of, I will tell you exactly at the end. I'm not kidding now, I'm telling at the end because I want to show you every single detail and I want you to understand that the price is actually small. Even if it looks amazingly high, it's actually small because of the rentability. I have asked the selling agent. I am on the buyer's agent side, so you can contact me directly as ndv.com or via Marbella Estate, but I will definitely explain you exactly how is this very profitable according to the saying of the people that are doing property management. So first of it, let's dive into it, let's see it exactly, and after that let's talk about dineros or money. Okay, thank you so much.
This spectacular villa is located only 300 meters away from sandy beaches of Marbella. Also close to restaurants like Dolce Gabbana, Nosso, Dune Beach, Ayana or Luma. The villa has 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, heated pool, jacuzzi, enormous place for a barbecue where you can enjoy time with your family and friends. Sea view from the pool level and a panoramic view from the master bedroom. Your perfect vacation home is waiting.
So far so good if you have seen until now, so please do not forget to like and subscribe. I'm NDV and I'm so excited to show you those amazing properties in Costa del Sol, Marbella, Benavis or Estepona. Love you!
The house is fully refurbished. So the refurbishment was finalized in 2024, and from April till now, actually, the house was fully rented all the time, short-term rent. So in terms of August, July, August, you have 11,000 K per week.
Per week, okay.
And we can send you also the estimation for the remaining. We know it only from April until September. Has 5 bedrooms, distributed -1, 2 bedrooms.
Yeah, saw them.
Here and the master bedroom where you have a spectacular sea view on the top.
I have seen it, total panoramic, yeah, very nice.
We also have some sea view partial from here and very nice sea view from the other. In terms of LPO, everything is in place, so documents are fully legal in the house. Tourist licenses as well here. The neighbors are quiet.
Can be seen. Nice neighborhood indeed. Okay.
So, and this is one of the nicest beaches of Marbella.
Yeah.
Sneaky beach, not far from
Dolce
here.
Gabbana. You can walk around. You can have, jog. You can walk. You can enjoy it. And this is the nicest stand
It's
here.
beach already.
Logistics centers. This is a commercial.
I see, but please tell me the selling points of this property, because yes, there is the view, of course. It's a beach house indeed.
Bedroom, which is 5.
5, okay.
We have a lot, 300
What is the plot size?
570.
570 only, okay. And the build size?
370, 380.
380, okay.
And then also outside you have like
The terraces.
You have 300 meters to the best beaches of Marbella with the nicest tents. You have chiringuitos, very nice restaurants. The coffee here in some of them or 40. That depends on which jacuzzi you choose.
Yeah. So far so good. So as the selling lady told me, her name is Magdalena, and she told me that you can rent this amazing property for the price of 11,000 per week on the high season and 8,500 for the low season per week. What about the occupancy rate? According to their saying and according to the papers they are presenting to you as a buyer, they are 95% occupied. I'm repeating, 95% occupied during the entire year. So just imagine this is a money machine. Okay, so right now let's talk about the price itself. Within such an amazing neighborhood, very close to the sea, 5 bedrooms, totally newly refurbished villa for 5 bedrooms, it's only 3.595 thousand euro. So it's almost 6 million euro. Get in touch with me and let's see how this price worth it. What do you think about this? Please let me know in the comments if you have any doubts about this price point or if you have anything else in mind. So please comment below. Thank you.